Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for research articles using keyword on Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type googlescholar.com and tap Go. You will now see the Google Scholar research page. In the search box, type the keyword related to your topics. For example, if you are searching climate change, you could type climate change impacts. If you want an exact match, put your keywords in quotation marks. This tells Google Scholar to find the articles with the exact phrase. Now you will see a list of articles containing your keyword. Look at the title, author and journal to find the most relevant articles. You can also combine keywords using and or to refine results. You can also use the date filter to find the recent article. And that's it. You have just learned how to search for article using keyword on Google Scholar using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.